everyone, this is Jana. Today I will introduce the AOL cutter. Now we show you the cutting. Okay, this machine for the size is 1600 by 25 mm, 100 mm. And the driving system is by the belt. And also we show you the knife holders and the oscillating knife creasing wheel, and also the mini tool, CCD camera. Okay, you can see this is the software in the computer, and also the control panel. We just use it to move the machine and move the cutting and begin the different panel or drawings of the cutting. This is the oscillating knife. Mainly use it to cut the unbreathable material, just like the leather, the PVC board, just like the cardboard, and also the PVC foam and other materials. Mainly use it to cut flexible materials. This is the creasing wheel. Mainly use it to make the fold on the cardboard, the honeycombed board, and also the corrugated board. This is the V-cut. Mainly use it to cut the groove on the cardboard on the acoustic panel. Make the groove just like the 45 degrees, 30 degrees, or 60 degrees. This is the kiss cut. Use it to cut the sticker, make the half cut. This is the drag knife. Mainly use it to cut the PVC board or the thin, firm materials. Okay, this is the milling tool, spindle. Use it to cut the hard material, just like acrylic, wood, and MDF, and so on. This is the CCD camera. Use it to scan the printed pattern on the cardboard sticker with high precision. If you want to know much information about the machine, just contact with us. If you have the questions of cutting in the advertisement industry, you find the correct machine. Hey, is about the paper, cardboard, PVC, foam, and hard material. All materials can be cut by this machine.